So we have with us a very, very beautiful Jacqueline Fernandez and the rock star Arjun Rampal. Jacqueline Fernandez and Arjun Rampal on BollywoodHungama.com. Alright, so huge round of applause for Arjun Rampal and Jacqueline Fernandez. I think this is the biggest number of fans that we have got for any meet and greet so far on Bollywood Hungama. ये देखिए देखें आप जरा मतलब देखिए आप जरा तालियों का मतलब आप देखिए जोश देखिए आप. Alright, so guys, we can start the question answer session with Jacqueline and Arjun. So the drill is that Arjun, they'll ask you questions, all your fans, and you guys can just take it up from there.
Hi everyone. Hi. How are you? Were we late today?
Can you see the smile? It's like glowing from. In fact, I think you should ask the first question. Do you want to ask the first question? Okay, so let's start this session and your name first of all and your question. Whom are you asking the question?
Hi, Jackie. My question is for you. My name is Deepak Hariasra. You might be knowing my Twitter handle.
Deepak?
Hariasra.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
So you have worked with Shahrukh on Temptations
Yeah.
on the tour. So I want to know if you're going to do any movie with him in the near future.
Would love to. I think that the next couple of projects he's doing. You're a big Shah Rukh Khan fan.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. I think his next few projects he's already cast.
Yeah.
But hopefully with your prayers, I'll be working with him soon.
Okay, you want to ask a question? You. Yeah. What's your
Where are
name?
you from?
From Lokhandwala.
No. Where do you come from? You're from
I'm
Mumbai?
from Germany. Mars.
Huh?
Germany.
Germany?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fans from Germany. Arjun.
You're a stalker all the way from
Bollywood
Germany?
Hungama.
You're a stalker from Germany. He's the stalker you were telling me about. It is that.
This is guy security.
Security. That's a stalker. Please. लेके जाओ उसको. उसका बैग चेक करो बैग. बैग में क्या है?
I think you've seen the movie, I believe.
Yeah.
You have any questions?
It's
Your name and you're from Germany, Lokhandwala.
Shan.
Shan Lokhandwala. Shan Lokhandwala.
Shan Lokhandwala from Germany. Who do you want to ask the question to, Jacqueline or Arjun?
you. Okay, this movie is really interesting. Like I saw the movie and it's really interesting movie. But what do you feel about the movie? Like when it's not an easy movie for a normal audience to understand. So what do you want to say about it?
Why do you say that?
But
It's
you are
a very
asking us
international
this.
movie, so
You are
I don't
asking
know
us
whether
this. We want to
Indian
know what you think.
So you think you
I loved it.
only understood it because you're from Germany? You think Indians don't have brains or what?
Lokhandwala in Germany. Lokhandwala in Germany.
Did you understand the film?
I understood it. It's a
Did
beautiful
you think
movie.
people will find it difficult to understand?
I don't know. Explain what is it?
What will you explain?
What do you want us to explain? The whole movie? So that they don't go and see it?
I
Huh?
think they should watch it because it's a very interesting, different movie. I don't think India has.
Bas, they're listening to you, Mr. Germany, and now they'll go and see it. Thank you
Everybody
for
has to watch
promoting.
it. Everybody has to watch it because it's a very different and interesting movie.
Thank you, Shan Lokhandwala from Germany. That was very sweet of you.
Our security, remove him.
Alright, who's the next one?
Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh. My question is for Jacqueline.
Yes.
Jacqueline, you worked with Salman, Arjun, Ranbir. Who is more romantic compared to in terms of movie? or
Considering it's
personal-
Valentine's Day tomorrow.
Yeah, that's why my question is.
Considering
I
it's
don't know
Valentine's
Shan Lokhandwala from Germany.
I want to go on a date with that guy, that Shan guy. Please, let's go on a date.
My God, breaking news. Jacqueline Fernandez, Shan Lokhandwala.
I
from
found a
Germany.
date. Shan Rokhanwala.
Breaking news.
I don't
You
know.
know, it's
them.
already been tweeted,
Huh?
It's already been
Can you
tweeted.
let me speak, please?
Okay. Breaking news actually.
We get it. Bollywood Hungama now has breaking news. Okay. I don't know them romantically. We're.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you?
We were like we were so romantic through the whole
was.
film.
The sea and the ballet.
That's exactly how I am. Yeah.
As an actor, you're saying that that's you.
And then
You weren't acting.
and I never act. I'm always real. I'm a realistic actor.
Oh my God, I'm blushing.
That's confession from Arjun Rampal on Bollywood Hungama. Okay, please carry on, Jacqueline. He was real, so now you
That's
change your
that's
opinion.
changed everything.
Do you change your opinion? But that scene on the sea and when you're performing the ballet and obviously I've seen.
But isn't she fabulous?
I think the ballet was excellent actually.
Yeah.
The way she just dances and everything is excellent. And whatever happens after that, so I'm sure it was very romantic as well. So you know.
No, it was. It's a very, very romantic movie, guys. We hope you guys see it because.
But his question is different actually.
I'm trying to avoid it.
But you looking stunning in the movie itself. I have songs you looking stunning.
Thank you so much.
But she's
My
complaining
question is still.
why you haven't seen the
no
movie.
answer for that.
Who do you think will be most romantic?
Why do you want to know this thing? You want to date one of us or what? तो बोले अच्छा Arjun is more romantic, so I'll take him out for dinner or for Valentine's Day, or then I'll take Salman out, or I'll take Ranbir out. Is that why you're asking this question? हाँ? बस हमसे तो पूछा नहीं तुमने कि हम तुम्हारे साथ आएंगे कि नहीं?
This Valentine's Day you want to do something different.
My reason of asking because I want to propose you. That's it.
अरे नहीं वो तो नहीं होगा भैया. We are very romantic.
He made it clear now that it's not. His leanings are pretty okay. All right. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much as well. Okay. Anyone out here?
This is Bhumika. Hi Arjun, hi Jacqueline.
Hi,
I have
Bhumika.
a question for Arjun.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of yours, first
Thank
of all.
you.
And you've played a director in the movie.
Detective.
Director.
Director. Yeah.
Do you really want to direct a movie?
Everybody asked me that question. I said, now if I play Arun Gauli, what do you going to think? I'm going to become a murderer also. So it's just acting, okay, and I think that's enough. There are enough directors out there who do their job really well, and but yes, maybe one day. I love the process of filmmaking, but till then I think I'll have to just stick to acting.
Good luck for that.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Zair. I'm also a fan of Shah Rukh Khan. So I want to ask a question to Amit Rampal, sir. So what is the experience with Shah Rukh Khan of the movie of Ravan?
Oh, Shah Rukh's a really hard-working guy, and he's a great actor, and I know him very well. So it was really wonderful. We shared great chemistry. We've shared a lot of screen space together. So it was fantastic working on Ravan, because that again was a different film, you know, and he wanted to bring it to a different level, and he's a very, very hard-working guy.
All right. Now, Jacqueline and Arjun, actually, a fan of yours from Sweden. His name is Michael, and he has requested that if he can possibly see you dancing on Chitya Kalaiya on this Bollywood Hungama meet and greet.
He wants you to dance?
To
Where
Chitya
is he?
Kalaiya.
He's sitting in Sweden.
He is in Sweden because Bollywood Hungama we have a reach in 130 countries. So this video will be watched by from all across the world. Who all will join?
Yeah.
अरे
Come on,
बिल्कुल
Deepak.
fans के कोई कमी
Woo!
नहीं. Okay,
Come
so
on.
can we have Chitya Kalaiya please?
Super.
Yeah.
चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे ओ तेरी मेरी चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे ऐसी आइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे
Okay, that's it.
How was your experience of today?
Oh, it's
So
too
much
much
fun.
fun. Too much fun. It was really sweet guys, and all the fans were great, and there were lovely questions.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
This
it
is
was
actually
nice.
like I think the most fun that we've had today.
Yeah.
We've had a really good time. It's
Yeah.
good.
And you were proposed and you were asked that who's the hottest amongst.
I'm glad I have a
Arjun and-
protective
Yeah.
co-star here.
but he was saying that the entire romancing that he did in the movie was for real.
Yes.
So he was not exactly protective.
I
he
was just
actually
protecting her. That's
Yeah,
why.
he was-
like that.
he knew
Yeah,
what
I
it
knew
was.
what
He
that
knew
guy
it
was
coming.
up
He
to.
knew-
Basically, in other words, you wanted her to
उससे
say.
बोल रहा था कि
No, in
कुछ
other
ऐसा-
words, you wanted her to say that it is Arjun Rampal.
No, but yeah, I
No,
mean,
choices given to him.
Because yeah, exactly. He was thinking ahead and he was being protective. So
Yeah.
that's what was happening.
Protective is the word. All right.
चिट्टियां कलाइयां